Today's daily tip will show you how to create a seamless nav bar to link between Lujure created apps. So for today's purpose, we are going to link between a welcome newsletter and a Shop Now app that were all already published in Lujure, so we have the direct URLs. If you've already got apps that you want to link between, you might have to do a little shifting for the design when we try to install this banner. So what we're going to do is go to bannersnack.com and click create new banner. With the free account there will be branding, but I'll show you or give you a little tidbit about how I'm going to get around that. Alright, so you can select one of the templates or you can start blank. If you start blank, use the 810 pixel width. That's a great tip for kind of how to make it look nice in that Lujure canvas. So we're going to click start from blank, and we can get into this editor here and make some changes to our banner. So what we're going to do for starters is select a background, and we can either do a color or a gradient. I'll do a gradient just because I think they look pretty nice. We'll do a dark blue to a lighter blue. So there's a very simple gradient, as you can see, and from here we're going to start adding buttons. So I'm going to click add button, and we'll use these light blue buttons, and I'm going to resize them. And folks, this is a little tidbit that you're going to want to take note of while you're building these. With the free version, I've done a little testing. We're going to get a banner here at the bottom with their ad, so I'm going to show you a little workaround. We're going to put the height up to 100, and we're going to want to keep the buttons towards the top. So we're going to copy the object and paste it. So we're going to really create 3 buttons here, and you can create as many as you'd like. And we're going to try to organize them here so they look centered, look good, everybody's happy. And from here, this is where you actually do the button customization. So we're going to, once we've selected it, we're going to label it welcome. We're going to go to actions. We're going to copy the link to the welcome app, and we are going to paste it in the actions bar with a target as top. From here, we are going to do the exact same thing with the newsletter app. So we're naming it, then we're going to go to actions, grab the URL, paste it in, and use the target top. That's what's going to keep it all in the same tab, folks. So then we're going to do this for our last button, Shop Now. We're going to grab the Shop Now app, go to Actions, paste it in, target top. Now we're going to save the draft, banner name, it's going to be called tutorial. We're going to save it, then we're going to publish it. We don't need any of this filled out, just click publish. And from here, we're going to wait for it to give us the embed code. And then we're going to just use the free with the watermark. So it's going to ask us to buy and all that good stuff. But we're just going to copy it and paste it in the handy dandy HTML widget. It's going to give us the banner, and remember folks, because we we're smart enough to create that kind of, or not focus on the center point of the banner, we're going to be able to cover up that ad. So to do that, I would simply upload an image. Oh, not a background, an image. Sorry, folks. I'll get in here. And I am simply going to lay this image over the ad. So remember, folks, keep the buttons towards the top. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to publish it. This is the welcome app. Well, newsletter, pardon me. But we're going to do this for all of them. So all I'm going to do right here is pull in the template for that one. So I'm just going to duplicate the design so we have the banner on each of them. Then we're going to publish. So we've got one more we'll do, and then we'll refresh them and show you that they're all linking seamlessly between one another. So we're going to choose, duplicate it one more time, save it, and publish. And now let's go in here and let's see what we got. So now I'm on the welcome app. There's no ad. I can extend it over a little bit more. We're going to click welcome. Takes us to welcome, all within the same tab. Newsletter takes us to newsletter. Bam, shop now. So guys, the key to this using Banner Snack is to get around this little piece of branding that they're going to have is hike up the buttons a little. So increase the height of the banner, and as well as you're going to want to remember that when you choose that action in Banner Snack, select target top. That's what's going to keep you in the same tab. So that's a very handy dandy tool for creating seamless, good looking flash banners for your site. So go ahead and get started. Head to bannersnack.com and let us know what you think. Alrighty.